For this video, we're going to be looking at everything we can do with the rows and the columns in Microsoft Excel. So the first things we're going to look at is adjusting the height of each row and column. So to adjust the rows and heights, what we can do, so I'm just mainly going to work on the columns. Once anything I do up here, you can apply the exact same method to here. So the first way we can adjust a column width is move our arrows to the area in between the two columns. You can see how the arrows have changed. So now we can click and drag and adjust the columns as per needed. Right? As you can see, the width indication is given to us as we move it, so it can increase or decrease. But if we need to be able to get this to an exact measurement, what we do is we right click and we come down to column width and we can type in the width that we need. So I'm just going to go 15 wide. Click OK. So it's slightly wider than it was. So that is how you adjust the column width. You will do the exact same method to adjust the row height. One of the other things we can do is we can insert and delete columns. So what we do is to insert a column, we select this column, we right click and we go insert. So now it has inserted a new column which is the exact same width as the column just before it. And to delete, we'll right click, delete. So that is how you insert and delete a row and a column. The last thing we're going to be looking for this is hiding rows and columns. So to hide a row or a column, we right click and we go down to the hide option. So now you can see A and C are visible but B is hidden. We know it is hidden because of the double line stating that there's something in between. So if we take our mouse, put it in between the two, right click, unhide, column B reappears. So that is how you adjust row heights and columns, hide columns and rows, and insert and delete new rows and columns.